Feeling discouraged, going through hard times? This video is for you. Here we look at the importance of perseverance and offer some advice on how to deal with hard times. It is easy to get demoralized when life throws you a curve. You can go from the top of the world to the depths of despair in a second. Then there are times when life seems hard. You work and strive, but things don't go your way. Slowly, you lose your drive, and before long, you're ready to throw in the towel and give up. One thing you have to remember is that, at some point, life gets hard, and times get tough for everyone. No one has an easy time all the time, and the difference between the winners and losers in this world isn't in the trials that are faced, but in our reactions to them. There is an old saying that the master is someone who has failed more times than others have tried. Too often, we give up too quickly. At the first signs of trouble or when a series of setbacks come our way, we just lay down and let life win. If you quit, you lose. That is a given. But, if you keep pushing, you may find that success is closer than you thought. A famous story is related by Napoleon Hill in his classic book Think and Grow Rich. It tells the tale of the Darbys. They headed to California in the Great Gold Rush and purchased a mine. The mine produced well for them for months, but then the vein ran out, and times got hard. They eventually gave up and sold their mine and its equipment to a junk dealer. The junk dealer reopened the mine with some help from a mining engineer and discovered some of the richest gold deposits ever just 3 feet from where the Darbys stopped digging. If they had stuck with it a little longer, they would have been fabulously wealthy instead of spending the next 20 years trying to pay off their debts. We can learn 2 powerful lessons from this story, the most important of which is not giving up. Refuse to stop. Keep pushing. Keep moving forward. Even if you are slipping backward, lower your shoulders into the wind and drive on. The next lesson this story teaches is to ask for help. The junk dealer knew little more about mining than the Darbys. What he did know was how to ask for help. It was with the advice from the mining engineer he made his fortune. They say hard times make strong people. If you want to succeed, you have to get hard. You must slay whatever dragons life sets in your path and continue the quest. Just as Walt Disney overcame poverty, Winston Churchill overcame a learning disability, and Abraham Lincoln overcame chronic depression, you too can find greatness. Here are a few things that can help you stay focused and help you deal with hardships. 1. Get physical. Physical activity benefits the body and the mind. Take walks, lift weights, just move, and you will feel better. 2. Meditate. Just 10 to 15 minutes of meditation each day has been found to help with depression, lower blood pressure, and relieve stress. 3. Focus on what you have. Counting your blessings will go a long way toward keeping a positive outlook. 4. Laugh. It may sound trite, but sometimes laughter is the best medicine. Watch a comedy movie or show. Check out some new comedians. Find something that puts a smile on your face and makes you giggle. 5. Help others. Do some volunteer work. Help out at a shelter, finds a way to help others, and you will feel much better about your life. Thank you for staying with us if you have made it this far. If you have found value in this video, we hope you will hit that subscribe button and mark that notification bell. If you have any advice to help others or things you would like for us to discuss, please leave them in the comments section below. As always, your likes are greatly appreciated.